Hey, it's Mark. When I was a kid, there was a new method of teaching math that was heavily marketed to our parents. It was called the new math. It was supposed to make it a way for math to be more easily understood by students. You know, we joked that it was the nude math. We joked that it was some math that was going to make 1 plus 1 equal 3. And I want to talk to you about that second joke, the 1 plus 1 equals 3, because that's something that's directly applicable to medical group mergers. Now, when I say merger, I don't necessarily mean merger in the true legal sense, although it can be a true legal merger. It could also be an acquisition. It could also be the creation of a brand new medical practice partnership. When I talk about 1 plus 1 equaling 3, what I mean is that when you plan a merger, when you vet a merger candidate, a merger partner, what you want to avoid doing is simply doing a merger that is additive. So you have a practice that's doing 100x, and you bring in another practice that's doing 100x, however you measure the 100x, to create a practice with 200x. That's simply an additive merger. What I want you to understand is that the better approach is to bring in a merger partner that creates the 100x that you're currently doing, the 100x that they're currently doing, that results in a 250 or a 300 or a you tell me how much higher X of the combined group. Now, of course, we may not be talking simply about gross billings or gross revenues, all of a sudden making some sort of magical, mystical, metaphysical jump. But what I'm talking about is the creating of additional value, whether that additional value has to do with the fact that this changes the way you can contract, whether this changes the way that payers look at you, whether this brings on skills that are much easier bought than homegrown, whether this means expanding into a new geographical footprint, a new geographical area in a way that is far less expensive than organic growth. So, to be truly valuable, to be truly powerful, to be truly rewarding, look for that new math. Look for deals where 1 plus 1 actually does equal 3.